Check this beauty out. Out here in the sun, that black and gold looks amazing. This thing drives like a dream. Looks super good. I'm very impressed with this car. That looks so good. Beautiful interior. I mean, that top, really nice. She's whisper quiet, running right now. Super quiet. All right, we're gonna go on a quick drive. This thing is really, really nice. Feels very solid. Just over 9,400 original miles, and it is just super clean inside and out. I'm not gonna go far to preserve those miles, but looking at the steering wheel, it's not shaking around or anything. Suspension's feeling good. Got the windows down. This thing just floats across the road. That suspension is really nice. Hit on the brakes kind of hard here. Oh man, brakes are insane. Those can stop on a dime. That's actually super impressive. Kind of makes me smile. A lot of times you get in these older cars and about 40 foot later you start making your way to a dead stop, and that one, honestly, I could probably screech the tires to a stop if I had to. Really nice. No complaints with drivability. Right, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Now we got the sticker, 9,375 actual miles on this. Now that has gone up just a little. I think it's a little over 9,400 now. Looking at the paint, got that gloss black. Typical swirls from just everyday washing. Looks like these are painted on, if I'm not mistaken. You're going to see little dimples and imperfections in the paint. So far that looks good. Looking at that wheel, that's nice. The barrel, that looks really good. Here on the tires, looking for that date code, 2022 it looks like. And that's really clean. And you got the wheel lock on it. Trying to peek in there. I know it's kind of dark. Looks good. You're going to see some texture and bubbles in that paint there. Making our way up. Typical flaws there. Some really light, I don't know if those are cracks in the clear, but you're going to see that. Here in the side mirror, looks good. The car has been repainted, so you're going to have those typical imperfections, but for the most part, looks really good. A little spot there. When I look at that door also, it's very subtle. I do see a couple light creases, if you want to call it that, like a little, maybe a little door ding right there. You see that? It's pretty subtle. Here on that wheel, that looks really good. And checking out that top, the leather's nice and soft. Really good. Got the tempered glass. That's clean. Perfect opportunity to look in there. It's kind of hard to see through the glass, but it's looking really, really nice. Typical imperfections right there. glass here. That is super cool. That light, that looks amazing. That one's clean. Grill's looking good. Get close on that, you're gonna see the little imperfections. You see the little imperfections in the paint there, typical swirls. That bumper looks really nice. Let's try to get underneath here. Show you what I can. Now we do offer paint correction here as well as ceramic coating, so a lot of those little surface scuffs, a lot of that can come out and really pop. A couple chips there. Looking at that wheel, looking really good. You do have some chips here. Couple chips there. Looks like when they were painting the gold, they got a few spots there. A couple chips on the edge. You're gonna see some of those flaws there. Looking at that lower side though, that looks nice. Looking at the leather top. That top is really, really clean. Little flaw there. That wheel looks good. See a couple chips right there. Looks amazing. All of that looks good. You're gonna see some light imperfections here, typical swirls in the paint. That bumper looks good. Gonna peek underneath here. Awesome. So from a couple feet away, that paint is in really good condition. Of course, you get really close, you're gonna see the typical flaws. All right, checking out this interior, absolutely gorgeous. The seat swivels, so I'll show you that in just a second. Now this is broke here, the little holder for the seat belt. I'm sure that's an easy fix, but other than that, this is absolutely gorgeous. Here on that door panel, upper section looks amazing. Handle's nice and clean. Looks like that's never been used. Looks really, really good. That trim's nice and clean. Looking in the jams. Looks good. Bolster looks nice. A few light scuffs. That's still nice and soft. Here on the steering wheel. Still has a matte finish to it. That's incredible. Really, really nice. Vents look good. Upper side of the dash, that looks clean. Here on that wood grain, that looks really, really nice. 9432, that's the original miles there. That looks good. Really, really clean. All right, here on that door panel, looking at the upper section, absolutely gorgeous. Handle looks perfect. Look how clean that is. That works perfect. I'm not really seeing any flaws on that. That is incredibly clean. That trim looks good. Of course, look at the seat. You can twist it sideways. Look at that bolster, it looks nice. Underneath is clean. That looks really, really good. Carpets look awesome. Here on the underside, looks good. Little bump there, might be from the factory, never know. That's clean. Just kind of scanning through all of that. That looks amazing. And check that view out. Super cool. Here on these seats. Looks good. You got the Hearst logo there. Beautiful, beautiful interior. All right, checking out the engine bay. Just gonna scan through all of this. Battery is from 2023. That's really cool. Around 9,400 original miles. Here on the underhood liner, typical wear over the years, but it's actually in really good condition. Here's the little plaque.